How to delete your Bumble account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today we are going to learn how we can delete our Bumble account if we have any issues with the account or with the app itself. First, make sure to open the app and log into your account. Now tap on the bottom left to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the top right in order to go to your settings. Scroll to the bottom of your settings and tap on delete account. There you find the number of reasons you can delete your account. Select any of the reasons that you want. And now Bumble will ask if you want to go to Bumble BFF or just hide profile or want to delete the account. Tap on delete account and type delete and confirm your choice. And that's it, you've deleted your Bumble account. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and for more similar tech content, subscribe to our channel.